Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. In today's video, I'm really excited to share with you these yoga poses that look really hard, but I'm going to show you easier ways how to get into them. And the key is remaining consistent. These poses are really great for opening up and releasing tension within your whole entire body, especially your back, strengthening the muscles in your back and also helping to prevent backache. And I really hope that these poses do not overwhelm you, because if you're not here, that's perfectly fine. It does not take like overnight to get here. Just go easy and be patient with yourself and show your body love, appreciation, and understand that you are exactly where you need to be. So I really wanted to share how to open up your body, like what poses to do, how to get into like a more challenging pose like this one, the step-by-step poses that help. And not only do these poses have amazing benefits from weight loss to improving your body's digestive system, they also like help to de-stress you, releasing tension and anxiety within the body and mind, leaving you feeling your very best self. So without further ado, let's jump straight into this video. And no matter where you are on your yoga journey, you will still get to experience all these amazing benefits, no matter like where you're at, if you see what I mean. So please don't feel like you have to be like a super professional expert, because you don't. Also, if you find this video useful, please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much. The first thing we're going to do, which is absolutely phenomenal at de-stressing your entire body, is cat-cow. So as you come up, inhale, and then as you round the spine, putting your chin to your chest, exhale. And then as you come up, take a massive inhale, exhale, suck that navel in towards the spine. You will literally feel so amazing doing this, you guys. This is absolutely great for like improving your body's digestive system as well, and it's just really good for like calming you down. And then we're just going to come all the way back, you guys, a deep stretch, opening up the heart and the shoulders, really breathing, focusing on our inhales and our exhales. We've rounded all the way back into child's pose, which is like a really good resting pose as well. Now we're going to try and make our spine fluid like water, and this can be quite tricky when you first begin, but focus on rounding the spine and really like increasing your body's awareness. So close your eyes and really focus on each movement, like moving the spine. This is really great for releasing tension and backache. We've just now came into a downward facing dog, and we're just doing what feels good here. Like roll with the body and try to make it as fluid as possible. If you find this tricky, which you may if you're a beginner, then just don't even worry about how you look. Focus on how it feels. Like literally like closing your eyes and just like flow with your body. Downward facing dog helps to re-energize your whole entire body. It's also amazing at calming your stress and anxiety, and can also help with mild depression. We've now just came into an upward facing dog, and we're turning to each side. And don't forget to smile, you guys, in your practice. When you smile, the whole entire world smiles with you. Upward facing dog is a great heart opening pose, and it also strengthens your abs. And then we're just rolling all the way back into a child's pose, and keep trying to really move your spine, keep it fluid like a big wave, an ocean wave. They always say you are only as young as your spine, and it's so good to stretch out your spine like this. It can help to improve your posture. Now we've just came into a puppy pose, which is really great for your digestive system. It's also an amazing heart opener, opening up the chest and the lungs, and also helping to release stress and tension in the shoulders. You can also bring your hands up into prayer like so to even deepen the stretch. Now we've just came into Sphinx pose, and we're just going to breathe here, and then we're going to turn side to side like so, and then back up into a deep opening heart opener pose. upward facing dog, and we're going side to side just to give us a little gentle stretch, and we're just pushing ourselves to see how far back we can come. Now roll all the way back into child's pose and then back forward again, trying to get as much flow and movement into our spine. These poses are really great at warming up the spine as well. And then back into downward facing dog. I cannot swear enough by these like yoga poses. Literally, they will change your whole entire life. Not only like for weight loss, also just calming your whole mind and relaxing you, and allowing you to push through limits that you thought were limits, like allowing you to just realize like you truly are limitless. Anyways, you guys, now we are gonna come into a bridge, which is also really great at like warming up the back and like just opening up all of our muscles. You can clasp your hands underneath your glutes and be sure to squeeze your buttocks muscles whilst you're in this pose. It's really great at strengthening your back as well. And release slowly, bringing your bum all the way down to the floor. Another really good pose and deep heart opening pose is fish pose, where you really open up the chest and the heart, and it also increases like the blood flow to your head as well as you push your head back like so. And just breathe here, you guys. Enjoy how it feels. Now we're just going to take like a variation of this pose. This is the first way that you can do this pose. Just bringing your body down slowly to the mat. And then as you do, just raise your arms all the way up if you can, if it feels comfortable for you. It's a really deep stretch for your shoulders, allowing you to release and let go of any tension in the shoulders. And it's really great for your digestive system as well. I know I keep saying about the digestive system, but it's so vital, you guys. A healthy digestive system helps your body to release toxins way quicker. And just breathe here, you guys. Enjoy the pose. You can place your index fingers up, or you can just clasp your hands together. And now I'm also going to show you the other variation, which is like where you do the lotus. And to do lotus, you need to like have your hips really open. So child's pose, where you open your thighs deeper, it really helps to open up the hips. And then we're just going to come into the pose. And guys, these poses are advanced, so please do not be harsh on yourself if you're not here yet. Please enjoy the journey because you are exactly where you need to be. Literally, I need to tell myself this today, because sometimes like when we come out of alignment, we're like rushing, we like want to be like somewhere else, we want to be so accomplished. But it's important, like each obstacle, we need to go through it like and fully embrace it, because we learn so much from our challenges or our suffering. Literally, like we learn so much. There are literally, the universe is like the biggest teacher, so you're exactly where you need to be right now. Anyways, so I'm now just like rolling my spine a little bit, just doing a few, and then we're gonna come to each side, just opening up the body. And like basically we're getting ready just to cool down the body, because we've just done like that deep intense pose. And now we're opening up our arms and taking a deep inhale, and then as we raise them back down in prayer, exhale. Feel the yoga high, you guys. Feel the amazing energy, and don't forget to smile. This pose is a really great way to help you to work towards getting into the trickier poses. Exhale as you lower. It also really helps to release tension and like tightness within your shoulders and the chest. Exhale it all out. We're just coming back to these spinal waves. Don't hate me. I know spinal waves literally are the key to like increasing your spine flexibility. And now we're just doing like a seated cat-cow. Exhale as you round chin to chest, and then inhale all that amazing new energy. And exhale, let go of anything that's blocking you or like preventing you from like causing you so much resistance. Just exhale all the stress and negativity. Now we are just going to come into a beautiful forward fold. This pose literally helps with all poses in yoga. It helps to open up the entire body, opening up the front body, also opening up like tension in the hamstrings and the legs, releasing all the tension. Always ensure that you're folding from the hips and not your lower spine, so feel free to bend your knees if your hamstrings are really tight. And this pose really helps to just release stress and tension. I'm literally going to get into it right now. And then now as you're seated, take a deep massive inhale and raise all the way up and just feel the amazing energy lifting you up. And lastly but not least, we're just going to really ensure that our back is all cooled down. So we're just going to get into some more spinal waves, cooling all the muscles down after our deep intense stretch. We're starting with cat-cow, and then we're coming up into downward facing dog, and then we're rolling, cooling all the muscles down. Inhale, exhale as you push back. Deep inhale, and know that you can let go of anything. And just walking it out, releasing and letting go any tension in the body. And now we just took a seat and we're just gonna kind of like move your back. And last but not least, just a nice little side stretch just to finish off our practice. Thank you guys so much for practicing with me. From my heart to yours, I literally love you with my whole heart. And I shall see you guys in my next upload. Wishing you nothing but peace, love and light. I really hope this helps you.